embrace a lifelong learning. Build a portfolio of character. Don't just study for exams, study to understand. Collaborate, don't compete. Use technology wisely. You may have days ahead where things won't go as planned. I've had mine too. But sometimes these setbacks, they redirect us to something even better. Life isn't linear. It's a path full of curves. The key is to keep going, keep learning, keep moving forward, and keep contributing.
That all of us should have, to bring God again in our difficult situation, to bring hope again in these challenging times, especially in the midst of these uncertainties, to bring hope and to make our future better.